old since 2014, so it's on its end of its life anyway. So we're going to replace that with the tankless water heater, and it's going to go right up there.
Okay, what are you doing there, Steve? First thing, what have we done?
We're turning the water off, draining the water heater, and now we're disconnecting the waters here and disassembling it. Okay, 15 minutes later. Time to bring in my sidekicks.
So they just put this bracket in here and then fold it on. Okay, to put another board on here.
Now we're hanging the new unit. Installing the bypass valve and pressure relief valve. Connecting the water piping. Important to clean. And ream the new piping. And put it all together. Preparing the thermal expansion tank for installation. Sliding in our return line into the crawl space. And connecting it to the unit. We're using press fittings and using the press tool to crimp the fittings for a watertight seal.
Good job, man.
So here's the gas meter outside the garage on the left front of the house. And right in here, we're going to remove this and we're going to install the automatic earthquake shutoff valve here. I'm going to put a T here and continue on. The gas pipe's going to steel pipe 3/4 going to come down here, all along here, and it's going to enter the house just above the dryer vent right there.
Alex is installing this earthquake valve here. That red thing that you see is the valve itself. It's got a little ball bearing in there that sits on a little pedestal. And if the earth shakes, then it'll fall off and close the valve.
Installing a mega press fitting using press technology.
Technically 44 and
It's important to file down deeper at the end of the pipe prior to installing into a mega press fitting.
Here's where the gas line is going to come in right above the 4-inch dryer vent. It's going to follow along here, go down over here, behind the freezer, under the stairs, behind the dryer and washer, and pop up there to where the tankless water used to be right there. This is 3/4 inch CSST, corrugated stainless steel tubing, and this we're going to use inside. So
the unit requires a PVC flue. It's important to paint the PVC that's exposed to any UV